This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility, Miracast, Chromecast, or a built-in casting receiver. Once done, enable Wi-Fi on both devices and place them on the same network so discovery works reliably. Make sure the TV or dongle is powered and set to the screen mirroring or input channel that accepts connections. You'll now start pairing from the source device. This early alignment prevents connection stalls and explains why discovery often fails when networks or inputs differ. You open the cast or screen mirroring control on your phone, tablet, or PC and scan the list of available receivers. Once you select the correct receiver name, allow the TV or dongle to confirm the connection. Accept prompts promptly to complete the handshake. Make sure to adjust resolution, orientation, and audio routing in your device's display settings so the image fits the screen and sound comes from the desired speaker. This step explains how authorization and display options affect latency and clarity. You finish by stopping the cast from the source device when you're done, which cleanly releases the receiver. If you experience lag or stutter, reduce streaming resolution, move devices closer to the router, or restart the router and both devices to clear transient issues. If the receiver isn't visible, make sure Miracast drivers are up to date on the PC or reinstall the casting app and check TV/dongle firmware. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves the majority of connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.